good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on the location you are watching from, anywhere in the world. So today I want to just making some solution, providing some idea for some of the people that doesn't have electricity in their home, but that can afford to buy just only solar panel. So this is the best solution how you can boil your water, how you can cook your food. So this is the cheapest way. Some people have been calling us about our products. They cannot afford to buy it based on the high cost of purchasing materials. So today we want to introduce to you how you will use only solar panel to cook in your kitchen. This same solar panel will be used to pump your water in the borehole. There is no need of charge controller, there is no need of getting batteries. So in this video we are going to show you how you will use solar panel alone depending on the solar panel voltage. So you will use solar panel. When you connect solar panel, those solar panel in series, getting 240 volts DC with those solar panels, as you series them together, how you can use it to power your electric cooker, you can use it to cook food. You can plug your water heater, you can plug your pressing iron to iron your clothes on the solar panel configuration. So keep watching the video. It's a very educative video that is going to solve the issues, because gas money is getting more expensive and many people have been talking to us that how can we help them. So this is a do it yourself project. It's something you will do yourself. You don't need to invite any technician. If you are a technical man or you have technical experience, to join positive and negative wire without short circuiting the output. So you can do this yourself. So thanks for watching. Let's go into the video. Today we want to use this 5 solar panel to power electric cooker. Yes, we want to show you how you will power your electric cooker with only solar panel without battery. Bẹ́ẹ̀yàn ṣe lè fi solar panel nìkan fi power electric cooker láti fi dáná. So you can cook your food in your house and also use pressing iron when you have only solar panel. No need of charge controller, no need of battery. So you can use this in daytime alone. So the connection is about to complete. Keep watching. So we have connected all the panels together. This is the true output cable. So let us read the voltage. You can see 227 volts, 227 volts. So now we will connect this cooker and this extension socket. The cooker consumes 3 amps. It consumes 3.55 amps on the solar panel. So let us check the voltage to see the present voltage when the cooker is connected. So it's 171 volts. That's amazing. 190 volts. With 190 to 193 volts, the cooker can boil water as fast as possible. So now there is water inside this jug, inside the kettle here. I've positioned it on the cooker. The water is boiling. You can see. Ecco. Okay. You want to run these two machines together. Many people don't know some of the reasons.